As a producer, you're probably sitting in your room all day, lonely, barely any human interactions, maybe when you go to school or to your job, just thinking to get back into the studio, into your room, and cook up something legendary. Working in FL Studio or Ableton, sorry other programs, I don't consider you real. Damn, you barely have any interactions with people, I'm not even talking about women. Frankly, that's sad, but that's life. You can stop worrying because today I'm going to show you how you can overcome this and get yourself a petite, nice woman that will support you on your journey. What did I have to add petite? But anyways, a nice girl that will support you on your journey, will love you for who you are, will love your passion, you will have great kids, and change the course of history. Before we dive into it, let's talk about how the world works nowadays. We live in a different time, an amazing time, a lot of opportunities, and sometimes it can be overwhelming for us. The modern society is heavily shifted into the online, to the point where a strong online presence is stronger than a real-life presence. It's kind of absurd really, but that's how things are. Hate the game, don't hate the player. In this new society, people who get the most attention are usually the ones who will be winning, who will make the most money. I'm not gonna say they're gonna be the happiest because that has to do with how you deal with it, but they generally will have much more opportunities. And this online presence definitely applies to the dating world. Now, what does it have to do with music? Let's do a little bit of an imagination. Let's say you're an artist, right? You're a musician, you're a producer, you're cooking up beats, you're working, you have your own sound design thingy. What if you find a way to upload your stuff, right, your passion online, get a huge number of following, and once you get a big number of followers, big amount of influence, you start attract certain people, certain men and women to your life. And then, when you attract them, you can choose from the women who will be your partner, who you want to spend your life with. It might sound to you like, what the hell, bro, this is too much, this is what I don't want to go big on social media, I don't want to go big on YouTube just to get a girl. But actually, if you want a quality girl, if you want this game to be played by your rules, you gotta make a statement in this modern society. I never say it's gonna be easy. What I will say is that it works, it will change your life, and you will be happy. So I will break it down to you. What you want to do, everything that you do in music, start uploading it, start adding a little bit of your personality into it, right? Start showing your face, start putting yourself out there, just like I do. I mean, I got a girl, but and start becoming a boss. Start owning that shit. Start researching how to grow big on social media with your music, with your passion. Start racking up the numbers, start getting the following, start attracting people to your life with your music, with your passion, and watch what will happen. Now, you definitely don't have to do all of this. You still can go outside and meet girls outside, It also works, it definitely works. Get the dating apps, even though I don't really like them, I think they're disgusting. It's ultra lustful in there, it's very easy to get lustful yourself in there. The potential from there is very low to get a quality person, but it does work. You can find it somewhere. You can find a partner there. Still, real life is much better, but if you do it the social media influencer way, not only you gonna get the girl of your dreams that will like what you do, that will like your music, will support you in your passion, you also gonna get rich, bro, which is even better than getting a girlfriend. So I don't see any downsides to it. You get rich, you get famous, you get the girl of your dreams. Everybody's winning. Hooray, your family is now free from the burden of the 9 to 5. We're going a little bit extra there, but winners keep winning, losers keep losing. I have recently opened a community where we discuss how to get better at production, how to get money while we get better production, and how to keep our mental health sane while we get money, while we get better at production. If you found this video helpful, if you want to get the girl of your dreams, if you want to take your musical journey from just a journey to a lifestyle, to a way to provide for yourself and your family, to become master of your mental health, then I would love you to join our community. Link will be in the description. It's a free community and you will find there many useful information. Can't wait to meet you there. Good luck to you. Go get the girl of your dreams. Keep winning, keep making money. I'll meet you at the other side. Goodbye.